Hi, I'm Kimo with Husky Intelligence. Thank you for joining me today for this brief overview of automated estimating. In our overview of Husky Intelligence, we talked initially about costing and quotes. This is the same information that we put together to create the automated estimating processes that we are talking about today. Please remember, Husky Intelligence is designed to support and automate your business processes. That means we want to help you run your business the way you think it should be run. So if this doesn't look exactly like your business today, that's okay. It's just one example. With Husky Intelligence, you can actually create an estimate faster than I can tell you about it. First, you'll choose the type of estimate you want to produce. Then begin filling the customer name and let the system populate the needed customer information. Pre-populate the form with additional services offered that might be of interest to your customer and an upsell opportunity for you. Then bundle and pre-fill the materials, services, and products that you typically would use on an estimate of that type, while still allowing the user to add, delete, or adjust the information. Have you ever struggled to recall what was included in your bid? With Husky, you can design your template to leverage your costing data, allowing you to do your complete detail buildup right here on the form, and then combine the lines that make up the subtotals you want your customer to see on the actual estimate. Then simply print and distribute through email. Oh, wait a minute. How many times has your original estimate been rejected because the scope of work changes or the price is not acceptable? That's not an issue. Make the changes here on the fly and then just reprint or redistribute through email. This concludes our brief overview of automated estimating. Please visit us at huskyintelligence.com to schedule a demo and sign up for a free trial.